rain has come.
Woo! Holy! Yes, sir. It is. It's only about -3 Celsius outside. But once again, on the northeast here, we are going through our 40,000th snowstorm of the year. Oh yeah, I think I'll jam this baby into four-wheel drive, I do believe. Nobody minds. Right straight ahead there, we got Canada. And I think I'm gonna go. Quarter gear here. Four-wheelers on. Little sign there on the right, the black one. Canada this way. Okay, let's go. She's not a fun little night here. I was told. Oh yeah, there's ice underneath the snow too. That's excellent. That's my favorite thing. That's my favorite. Good thing I only live like 4 or 5 clicks from the U.S. border here. This is, holy, she's slick. This is slicker than snot in a chicken's beak. Very bright. I was gonna go to the gym on the way home, but it's like an extra night. It would be just doing some crunches and stuff in about 20-25 minutes of light cardio after that. So it's not worth risking my life driving over there, four-wheel drive or not. I'm sliding all over the place here. There is ice underneath. Snow. No likey. So I'm gonna go home. I'll stop in at the store and see if there's anything that I can actually eat. I still gotta put 4 eggs in toast to me yet. And my night protein shakes. Stop in and grab Jenny and not very swift, but anyway, can't be having this. Slow her down, buddy. Just all over the place, slicky, garbage rate. So, in the next couple of weeks, I'm just going to jam her at the gym. I'm just going to give everything. Get some new measurements, get some new pics. Hopefully I can inspire other people. And what I want to do, I'll make one of my vids here. It'll be comparisons. Okay, I'll do some comparisons, start body shots. See how disgusting it was, and am still. But the improvement in just a couple months. I'm so far happy with it. I just hope I can inspire somebody with it. No idea why I didn't put my blinker on there. How are you doing? How are you guys doing today? Listen, give me a comment anytime you want down below, or I will take an email from you down there in the description box. My email's down there. Go ahead, give it to me, and I'll answer anything you want. Any questions you have. Right now, my weight is doing good. I'm still down, and my arms that were targeted finally. Instead of an all over, I'm into body targeting now. So my trainer's taking me. Had my first. I can't remember what he said. Psycho sets, something sets. Anyway, where we go from one to another. Supersets, and they're shoulder and arm based. And you want to talk? I'm still. That was 2 days ago or something like that. And my shoulders and arms still hurt. Still hurt. And I'm used to including them in with the regular circuits that I was starting there. So it's pretty rough. But my supplements are getting me through it. You know, aka protein, creatine. And I still feel fantastic. I feel great about myself and what I'm doing, so I'm going to end up probably going over tomorrow and doing that. I just got done working. I've been up since 6 a.m. and it's 8 p.m. now, so I think I'll take this evening off, or it was an extra one, get some extra rest, do a light one tomorrow, and then take it easy until Monday when I go nuts. Crazy Monday. And I work Monday and Tuesday, then I'm off a week, so that's the good part. Go and see if the store's open here. Should be open for another hour. Hope so. Baby, it is so slippery. What? Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, sir. The store here. Everybody loves going into the store. Everyone loves it. 12-piece chicken. I wish I could have that. Fried chicken, Ginny Lang. All right, everybody. I'm gonna go into the store and grab a snack or two. Hopefully, they have something I can have. And give me a shout anytime you like down below. Thumbs up, please. If you want to like, you can subscribe if you want, and you don't have to, and share, but you don't have to. I just want to do this to help inspire you, and you inspire me. I'm going to be talking about going into the gym itself to hopefully you can see a little bit of what I do there. Okay? So, listen, everybody. Get a hold of me. Thank you for joining me. And have a relaxing night, okay? Big Jimmy, the transformation continues. See you later.